Hello, Lori Kuiper here, Product Manager for the Orbital and Heating Group at ReadyArc. And I just want to take a minute and do a little product spotlight on the Ready Wraps that we introduced last year. We've seen some nice successes in the field with it. And what they are is a heating blanket that has either an air-cooled or a water-cooled cable that is Velcroed into it. And they are adjustable downward in size, and we offer an 18, a 24, and a 36-inch diameter length. And what it is so that when you go to put it on a pipe, say that you've got the 24-inch and you need to do from 24 to 12-inch pipe, what you can do is you can put that on the pipe, and it has a Velcro D-ring that makes it adjustable downward in size. The other thing that you can do with these is say that you have a 48-inch application. We don't offer the 48-inch size, but what you can do is these can be daisy chained together, and so we can run like a 140-foot cable through them and daisy chain the two blankets together to reach a 48-inch diameter. So they can be used again in like a pipe application or a beam and wrapped around, or they can be laid out flat for use also. They can be used with the ProHeat 35 and the ArcReach heater. So, you know, a very versatile product for us. And we've had a couple nice wins in the field. One in particular right now, the customer had in the past bought size-specific blankets for their application, which is very costly. But they currently have 18 Ready Wraps out on site with 9 ProHeat 35s, and they're really pleased with what they've been able to do with that, really minimizing the amount of stuff that they've had to pay for to have out on site. So again, really pleased with it. If you want to see them in person and you're going to be at the Steel Erector Show here in 21, it's down in Orlando, I think 2 weeks. So if you get a chance and you're at that show, stop by and take a look at them. They're going to be there with the ArcReach heater, the ProHeat 35, and the Cooper Heat resistance heating equipment. We're going to have the full complement down at the Steel Erector Show. So if you get a chance, stop by and see this stuff in person. Thank you, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.